All right, guys, another short video this week, unless I decide to add more. But basically, I'm gonna be doing the aftermarket coolant overflow. As you guys seen in the last video, my current overflow is it blew up and it went everywhere. So every time the car warms up or it gets super hot, it just boils over and it just goes everywhere. And I haven't bothered cleaning it up because it's just gonna happen again. I got this eBay one here. Well, it was from Amazon. It's this one's from Ryan Star Racing, but literally they're all the same. Evil Energy and like the no name. I guess it's the Evil Energy one. Now I was looking at this, I'm like, it's kind of small, and not only that, but like if it goes in and expands all the way to the top, where's it supposed to go? So I thought about adding another port, but I realized there's a hole here in the cap and it goes through. Yeah, hopefully this works. Hopefully this fixes the overflow going everywhere. It's only 70 bucks for a new one, but honestly, I'm going to be putting this in the place of the charcoal canister, so it's going underneath the fuse box and you won't be able to see it. You'll see the line. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, I don't know. They gave you a fucking orange line. I might use this for the time being, but I'm definitely getting a black line. You guys will probably see it in another video. I'll just change it. I won't say anything. You guys will see it. But yeah, I have a homie pulling up first while the car cools down. I'm gonna help the homie out, do his lift his car up a little bit because he can't get it aligned or something like that. So guys, it's the next day. I'm not gonna lie, I've already put the can on. Here's what I have so far. I took out the expansion reservoir. So I took this out already, and here's a better look at the crack. This is where it was leaking from originally, and this lid's just messed up. All right, so threw some gloves on because it's freaking dirty. I'm gonna be cleaning this up, but I don't know how you're supposed to get this out because I had to snap this off so that I could bend this bracket back because it wouldn't come straight up. There's like a lip at the bottom of it. Yeah, this little lip here, it wouldn't come out. Yeah, so I'm gonna take that off, and then that's where I'm gonna be mounting the reservoir. There's two bolts, one here, one there, and yeah. All right, so I pulled off the intake and I cleaned up most of the poop water. There's still some there and right there in the hard to reach places, but I got rid of the evap valve here, and I got rid of the line here that runs along here. I put the bolts back, but I got rid of this line. I'm leaving that port open, and canister and all that stuff is out, and I put a loom here for the battery relocation, just so it's not a big red wire. Looks pretty good. It's cleaned up a lot more than I thought it would, but I'm gonna throw the intake back on. I have to go home and grab my drill. Unfortunately, the sun's going down, so hopefully I can finish this with the sun up so I can record it, but I'm basically just gonna be moving it over here. But yeah, I'll pick back up when I get the drill so I can drill out that bracket and get it down there. So it's literally the third day. We're not going to talk about it, but yeah, so by the time I grabbed the drill yesterday, it was already too dark, and I'm actually here a lot earlier in the day, so hopefully I mean, it's going to take like 10 minutes to relocate it, but where I last left off, I got rid of a lot of the stuff for the evap in the engine bay. I cleaned up the wiring a little bit, but I got everything back together, like the intake and whatnot. So yeah, I got the intake back together, and it's probably gonna have to be pulled out again, maybe not. There's that connector down there. I have no clue what that goes to. If anyone knows, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the can off and re-drill the holes and mount it up there. I do want to get another cable in the future because that orange one looks disgusting. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the can out now. So I unmounted the can from here. I literally just had one of the bolts in here that go to the cruise control, and it was the only one that would fit. So it was only like the screw was skinny enough to fit, so that was the only place I could put it for now. And I drained it out, and I made a little mess. I mean, I cleaned it up, but bro, I just cleaned back there too. But yeah, I'm gonna get this hose to come off, and I'm gonna drill these out real quick so I can get it to fit down there. But yeah, the hard part is getting this hose off because as you guys can see, I don't even have a clamp on here, and it doesn't leak at all. And it's like very like tight on there, but I put a clamp on this one. But when I was doing that, I actually did I ripped a little bit of the hose. It's not leaking right now, but yeah, so I'm gonna fight to get that off. Okay, so I drilled it out. Here's how it looks. I used my my Tomei titanium drill bits. Look at that. It's Tomei drill bits. Oh, we don't talk about those three, but yeah, Tomei drill bits. Have to compliment my Tomei, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's a sneak peek. We don't talk about that. You guys got to stay quiet. To my my 10 viewers and my 18 subscribers. Speaking of, if you made it this far, please subscribe. I only have 18 subscribers right now. It's kind of sad. 18 subscribers and I think I have like 15 videos so far or something like that. Yeah, but guys, literally I'm posting every week, so drop down and subscribe. You have no reason not to. It's free. It's literally free. Also, if you made it this far, like the video too. Like the video and drop a comment. But yeah, let's get back to it. All right, so I put the bracket right there. Now that's where the charcoal canister, oh my god, I missed a lot. I need to clean that. Anyways, that's where the charcoal canister goes, and I put it only fits like, I can only put like one bolt through there with the way that it fits. But yeah, I really like it where it sits. So you're gonna be able to see it from here, but like when you're looking at it just like this, here, let me get the can in there actually. Okay, can is in there. It's gonna be like that, so you're gonna be able to see it, but it's gonna be low key. So yeah, really like where it's gonna be at. Now, because I prematurely installed this, I already cut the line, and now the line is too short. So I'm either gonna have to go and grab some line, or I'm gonna have to figure out a way to like, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna have to go get more line. So I'll pick back up when I go get more line. Little parts store run, mid-install. All right, coolant line secured. Bro, tell me how they try to charge me like $20 at fucking Advance. And I got the same line at AutoZone for like $7. I was like, bro, no way. I got it hooked up with this line. I wasn't able to fit there's like a clamp that goes on there. I don't know where I put it. That little clamp there. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, that clamp goes there. I don't have any hose clamps, like the like metal worm clamps, I guess you call them, like these. I don't have any small enough to fit that. So I mean, if I did, I would have capped off the freaking throttle body lines. Anyways, yeah. So I'm probably gonna go with a silicone line because like this is kind of hard to maneuver in the shape right, and I kind of don't want it shaped like this. I mean, the way it's positioned, I like the way it's positioned. It's the line's coming out like this way, the nipple, and I just kind of want it to come like up along this line and then up there. I think it'll be a lot cleaner, but yeah, this line's kind of set where it's at. So hopefully it doesn't leak here. It might leak. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Guys, I lied. The kit literally comes with 2 of these. Let's see, there's one here. I didn't bother putting one on the lower part because the lower part is super tight. It's like perfect. And this one was just a little loose on the, like after you get it over the balloon part. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna end the video here. I mean, there's not much more testing for me to do. I've already driven with it and I know that it works. And I know that the spot that it's in is gonna work via capillary action school. Anyways, yeah, I know that that's gonna work. So I'm probably gonna lower my car in the front a little bit, but yeah. definitely guys, I would recommend this. I definitely would. It's worked well so far. My temps have stayed lower than they ever have, and like I said, it's probably due to just having the system pressurized and having the helps probably, I don't know, it probably helps flow the coolant or some way, but for some reason having this hooked up, it definitely helps my temps. It takes forever to warm up, so it's helping. I haven't overheated yet. I haven't lost any coolant. Every time I go to check the bottle, the when it's hot it's filled up, and then not filled all the way up, but it's filled like maybe halfway to 3/4 up, and then when it's cold it goes all the way down to basically where I first filled it up at, so right above the nipple. So yeah, it's working pretty well. Every time that I check the cap on the engine for the water neck, it's always full of coolant when it's cold, so it's definitely working. I would recommend it to you guys. It's only $20. The can itself is very nice, like I said. So anyways, yeah, definitely a 4.5 star rating for me. Out of 5 stars. It's a great can, so $20, you can't beat it. Anyways guys, if you made it to the end of the video, please drop down and subscribe and like the video. Also drop down a comment on your thoughts of the can. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.